Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Utama Muhammad from Peralatan. Hi and good morning. My name is Mawar and I'm from Sufitra.
Hi, I'm Cheryl and I'm from Utama.
Hi and good morning. My name is Peralatan and I'm from Utama. And we are from Group 4 Mawar.
Assalamualaikum and hello from SMK Saujana Utama, or better known as Utama. Utama is categorized as a rural school. There are 3,373 students and 201 teachers. The hardworking Mrs. Hajah Nurhayati binti Embo, the principal of SMK Saujana Utama, who has always been the pillar of the school's success in Utama.
Wait, do you see someone over there?
Hey! You, follow me!
Why were you burning trash there? It'll be open burning and you'll pollute the air. No, we're just trying to keep mosquito away. There seems to be many mosquito here. You want to get beaten? No, right? So shut up and let us do what we want. We know what we're doing.
But that's not allowed. When like this, the air will be polluted. It will affect everyone, including you guys.
That's right. If we burn like this, the air will be polluted. So, how are you going to keep the mosquito away? Are you going to use a headband to keep them away?
We'll use mosquito repellent.
How does that work?
Problem statement number 1. Due to hot weather and service at our STEM site, the presence of mosquito isn't uncommon yet. It can be quite a disturbance when working out in the open. Number 2. As you can see, many trees and plants surround our STEM site. Over time, the weather will cause the leaves to fall, leaving us with many dry leaves around the area, with no way to dispose of them.
Now, what's our solution? Well, our group has come up with a mosquito repellent that ensures students will be able to work in peace without the disturbance of mosquitoes, all while using an eco-friendly way to dispose of the remaining waste.
The way to use it works that we will use leftover garbage or leaf and then burn them. Because burning the garbage or leaf will be open burning, we will use a metal tin to keep the leaf in a confined space. You may be wondering, why the smoke spread out a lot? Isn't that the same thing as open burning? To overcome this problem, we will use a pipe to channel it to an old fan that works from a magnet as its source of energy. When the smoke from the burning comes out of the fan, it will be a smoke that is not too thick and will not pollute the air.
Here are the materials needed to make a mosquito repellent. We used a PVC pipe, plaster of Paris, a rectangular tin, an old fan, and a net for the filter. The PVC pipe cost 1 ringgit and 40 cents. The plaster of Paris cost 8 ringgit and 90 cents. The netting cost 1 ringgit and 5 cents. The rest of the items are items that we will reuse or recycle. The overall cost is 11 ringgit and 35 cents.
Oh, I see. That's a great idea. We will save a budget and won't pollute the air.
That's all from Mawar, and thank you. Bye.